everybody. Welcome to the Kennedy Space Concert. I'm so excited you're here. These are wonderful kids. We are so excited. They have worked very, very hard. We have second grade and third grade. So without further ado, let's blast off.
Tôi làm xong ở đây chống kinh cầu không bé